Embrace the majesty and elegance of the white eagle, an emblem of strength and freedom, as you embark on this captivating YouTube tutorial designed to transform you into a skilled pen artist. The eyes of an eagle are windows to its sharp intelligence and unwavering spirit. Initiate your artistic journey by meticulously sketching the majestic form of the white eagle. This tutorial is not merely a technical guide. It's an invitation to unleash your artistic creativity and breathe life into your white eagle creation. Pay close attention to the graceful curves of its wings, the powerful talons of its feet, and the intricate details of its feathered plumage. Experiment with different pen styles and techniques to create a unique rendition of this majestic bird. Ready to soar to new heights of artistic prowess? Watch this insightful tutorial now and unlock the secrets to drawing breathtakingly realistic white eagles with a pen.